bed is planks and splanks.
Splanks? Who up splanking this shit, dude?
Ready for bed, princess? Ready for bed. I had an excellent sleep last night. Do you want some meat, princess? Here you go. Wait, my meat! Right here. Right there. Yeah, you should grab it. I cooked it with love. I cooked it with love for you. It's your... Before you go off it... She wanted it for dinner, actually, so I'm gonna put it in the chest. I'm gonna sneeze. That one was scary. Pew! Are apples edible?
She got so excited the other day